Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your small business marketing consultant. For example, you have a small business marketing consultant in where your users can book consultation, explore packages and get marketing tips. Responding each and every client manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your users send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your small business marketing consultant business, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your clients instantly. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of small business market consultant, hi, or instead of any message you can send, here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Welcome to Growth Edge Marketing, helping small businesses scale smarter, faster and better. How can I assist you today? While providing me 3 different options, that is book consultation, our packages and marketing tips. If I'll click on our packages, then you can see it will respond to me like this while providing me 3 different types of packages that are provided by them. Now, if I'll click on book consultation, then you can see it will ask me for my full name. So here I am giving them my full name. Here I provided. After that you can see it will ask me for the preferred date for booking. So here I am giving them one date. Here I provided. After that it will ask me for the preferred time. So I am giving them time also. Here I provided. Now you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that booking confirmed. Thank you for booking with Growth Edge Marketing, while providing my name, that is Mehruz Khan, date and the time that I have given them here. Also giving me one message, that is our team will connect with you at the scheduled time. We are excited to plan your next big growth move. Now if I'll click on marketing tips, then you can see it will provide me some marketing tips. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for your small business market consultant businesses, then you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. See, these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their user. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. When you click on this, it will provide you 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, it will ask you for Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also add multiple folders, while in this home section you can see the active status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contact, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once, and it is also used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow, in where you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in where you can train AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer common questions. The ninth one is the activity log, in where you can see all the events and the action you have performed within last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings, and the 11th one is the get help. If you want to know more details about these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. I am creating WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the flow option. So this is the flow builder page where you can see your total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am clicking on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our small business marketing consultant business, so here I am providing a name. Here I write it. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keywords, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that were started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to the any message of your clients that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account of small business marketing consultant. Now I want to write one welcome message for my client. For that I am clicking on this text button. It will provide me one enter message box. I'll drag this box here and writing one welcome message. Here I write it. While at the end of this message you can see I'll ask my client that how can I assist you today. So for answering this I am providing them some buttons by clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first button as book consultation. The second button I'll write as our packages and the third button I'll write as marketing tips. Here I write it. Now I am connecting the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote for my client. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here our flow starting point is connected to our message. Now, whenever my clients wants to book a consultation in my small business marketing consultant business, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. At first, I want to know the name of my client. For that, I am clicking on this action option, choose button as ask question. It will provide me one question box. I'll drag this box here and writing one question for my clients that at first, please provide me your full name. See, here I write it. Now in this select contact custom field, I'll select as full name. I already created this field before. If you want to know how to create a contact custom field into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Here I'll select the format as text. Number of attempt will be 1, and if you want to write any validation message for your customer, then you can write in this enter validation message box. Now I am connecting this circle which are present in front of book consultation to this message. Here it is connected. Now after that, when my client will provide me their name, then I want to know the preferred date for booking. For that I am again taking one ask question button. drag this question box here and writing a question that please provide a preferred date for booking. Here I write it. In the select contact custom field, I'll select as date. Format I'll select as date. Number of attempt I'll give as 1. You can also increase this by 2, 3, 4, etc. If you want to write any message, then you can write in this box. I am not writing, so I am leaving this blank. Now I am connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now after this, I'll ask my clients to provide me the time for booking. For that, I'm again taking one ask a question button. It will provide me one question box. I'll drag this box here and write a question as please provide a preferred time for booking. Here I write it. You can see I'll write this in asterisk symbol because with the help of this symbol, this message will go to the WhatsApp account of my clients in the bold format. In this select contact custom field, I'll select as time and the format I'll select as any. After that, I'll connect this circle to this. It is connected. Now, whenever my clients will provide me all the 3 details, that is their full name, date of booking and the timing of the booking, then my bot will respond to them. For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my respond message. Here I write it. See, I use this dollar symbol before full name, date and time because with the help of this symbol, your bot will respond to your clients by their name. In simple words, we will use this symbol for sending or collecting the manual data of our clients. Now the second one is the R packages. If my clients wants to know about the packages that are available in my small business marketing consultant business, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write some details about the packages that are provided by my small business marketing consultant business. See, here I write it. In this also I am providing them one button that is book consultation. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of book consultation to this message that we were writed here because the process of booking would be the same. Now the third one is the marketing tips. If my clients wants to know some marketing tips, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write some marketing tips. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your small business marketing consultant business. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. This bot will automatically respond to your clients like this. It will book consultation, provide them packages details, prices, and all the necessary information you want to share with your clients. This bot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.